good day. I'm Jefferson Garo. Today we are going to create a video on our physical lab config. We will be configuring switch on our Cisco lab. Okay, so here's our video. Okay, so here's the console cable here. Okay, we will be connecting this console cable on our switch here. Okay, so after you connected it, okay, we will connect our console cable on our PC for you to be able to configure it through our PC, okay, from our PC using the PATI application.
Baka may mali ako, sabihin nyo kasi lumot ko na din eh. Naglalag. Host name S1. Enable secret Cisco. Tapos nan timeline console 0. Password BTY. Anong ano na to? Ako di ko na check.
Ano yan, media?
Password, PATI, login, Control C, tapos exit, password, PATI, call, Cisco. Unauthorized person is not allowed. Oops. Okay, sorry. Hey, ano sabi? Password service encryption.
Libre mo. Matapos mo akong lokohin.
Ano ba mas pa yung pinamasahe mo? Pinamasahe mo.
Yan. Yung router. Ay, ito lang, switch lang na. So, yan. Tapos ito. Wag na. So, copy. Run. Pakita mo. Iba yun lang. Router. Tapos delete ko na lang.
Okay, so that's it. We have configured our switch there. Okay, we change its host name, put passwords on lines, and also show the running configuration and the start of configuration. Also, we encrypt those passwords using service encryption, service password encryption. Also, we have entered the banner, also the banner message of the day. And lastly, we have saved it, and also we need to erase those configurations because other students will be using those switches after my configuration. So that's it for our lab, physical lab. Okay, so thank you. So today we are talking about the TCPIP and the OSI models. Okay, so first the OSI model. Okay, the OSI or Open System Interconnection is a communication protocol consisting of 7 layers, okay, that depend on each other for the effective functioning of the communication system. Used heavily in telecommunication and computing systems, the model standardizes and characterizes their communication function regardless of the technology or structure being used. The main aim of OSI is to provide a standard protocol for different types of communication systems. In OSI, the layer below is dependent on the layer below, and it caters to the layer above it. Let's take a look at the 7 layers of the OSI. Okay. So in OSI, we have the physical layer, data link layer, network layer, transport, session, presentation, application. So in physical layer, this layer is concerned with the transmission of raw data over a physical medium. It establishes a relationship between the medium and the communicating device. A physical medium might be a copper cable like twisted pair, Ethernet or coaxial, or it can also be fiber optic, which uses light to transmit data. Radio waves are also included in this layer. Data link layer involves the transfer of data between two or more nodes over the physical medium. It includes error correction, flow control, and frame synchronization as well. Next is the network layer. In this layer, data is transferred between source and destination nodes on the same network. This is done through logical addresses known as IP or Internet Protocol Address. This is the transport layer. It establishes the transmission of data between nodes that exist between two or more networks. Error protocol, flow control, quality, service, and manage message segmentation and desegmentation are carried out. This is the session layer. This layer is responsible for controlling connections or session between two or more systems. It generates, manages, and ends the connections between the remote and local application. Presentation layer is that the data is formatted to be presented. The application layer carries out data encryption, decryption, compression, conversion, and etc. Application layer serves as a bridge between end users and software applications, the various network functions. Next, the TCPIP, which has a 4 layers, so the transmission control protocol and internet protocol is internet protocol, or the TCPIP is a model that uses 4 layers and is the communication protocol that drives the internet. It is also utilized in intranets and extranets. It combines the various layers of OSI. Okay, so network layer, first of all the 4 layers. It combines the physical and data link layers of OSI model and establishes data transference between hosts on the same network. Internet layer, combining data link and network layer of the OSI model. It allows for communication between multiple networks, establishing internetworking or the internet. Next, the third is the transport layer. Using the transport layer of the OSI model, it permits data to be transmitted between hosts on either the same network or a different network. Lastly is the application layer. It combines the session, presentation, and application layers of the OSI model. It is responsible for providing the channel or interaction between software and application. Okay, so as we can see here, our data, okay, in OSI model, the application presentation session layer is like the TCPIP model. Is the like the application layer of the TCPIP model. Okay, it holds the data. The next layer is the transport layer on the TCPIP, and also the OSI model is a transport layer where data becomes segments. And next is the network layer on the OSI, and internet layer on the TCP/IP, where segments become packets. And lastly, the data link and the physical layer on the OSI, and network access in the TCP/IP model, where the frames, where the packets become frames and frames become bits. Okay, so that's it for our TCP/IP and OSI model.